Welcome to the Northern Lakes College virtual open house for power engineering. We have two courses online, third and fourth class, as well as our power lab located in Peace River. I'll go over the presentation, and if you have any questions, I will answer those after the slides. What is a power engineer? Power engineers supervise, operate, and maintain machinery and boilers that provide steam, power, heat, refrigeration, and other utility services to industrial and commercial facilities, also known as a stationary engineer or a steam engineer. Power engineers work in many areas of industry in our province, such like power generation, pulp and paper, oil and gas, as well as large buildings and hospitals. It's a very diverse career that gives you a solid foundation for any industry. Power Engineering Third Class is an Alberta certification by which the operation and maintenance of boilers and associated equipment in heating plants and other industrial settings are governed. This program prepares students to write their Part A, 1 and 2, B, 1 and 2 ABSA exams. Note that there is a firing time requirement for third and fourth class power engineering, which may either be accomplished at an approved power steam facility or through attending an approved power lab. Power engineering has 4 courses, 1 and 2 AB, B1 and 2. These can be taken part-time over 2 years or full-time over 1 year. You will require steam time to obtain your actual third-class ticket from ABSA. A third-class ticket would allow you to be chief of a plant not exceeding 5,000 kilowatts. Power Engineering Fourth Class is an Alberta certification by which the operation and maintenance of boilers and associated equipment in heating plants and other industrial settings are governed. Individuals must complete the courses in order to be eligible to write the corresponding ABSA exams. Note that there is a firing time requirement for Power Engineering Fourth Class, which may be either accomplished at an approved power steam facility or through completing our approved Power Engineering Fourth Class lab. Power Engineering Fourth Class is actually our most popular program for our department. It has a Part A and a Part B. These can be taken part-time over 2 years or full-time over 1 year. A fourth class ticket would allow you to be chief of a power plant not exceeding 1,000 kilowatts. Power Engineering Fourth Class Lab Certification. This program is approved by Alberta Boilers Safety Association and meets the firing time requirement for fourth class power engineer certification. This program has built-in flexibility for our students. The course may be taken consecutively over 2 or more different offerings. I will mention at this time that due to low enrollment, we currently have only had 2 offerings a year, so be sure to contact the college to find out when these are being offered if you are interested, and I would strongly encourage you to take the entire lab in one sitting if that's possible. The fourth class lab certification consists of 4 certificates. I'll just mention that the certificate number 3 is actually a 2-week-long lab. Program delivery. Power Engineering third and fourth class programs are delivered online. Study anytime, anywhere with a high-speed internet connection. Power Engineering Fourth Class Lab is a 5-week program offered face-to-face in the Northern Lakes Shell Northern Lakes College Shell Canada Power Engineering and Technology Centre located in Peace River. Program work is completed mostly in the lab with brief periods of classroom time. Admission requirements. Third class, you require a valid fourth class Power Engineering Certificate of Competency from ABSA or equivalent. Fourth class, you require Math 10C or equivalent, and English 20-2 or equivalent. Fourth class lab certification requires successful completion of the Power Engineering fourth class Parts A and B theory courses. Program length, third class full-time 1 year, part-time 2 years. Fourth class dual credit 2 years school, full-time 1 year, part-time 2 years. Fourth class lab certification is 5 weeks. Dual credit. Eligible to earn credits towards their high school diploma plus the fourth class Power Engineering course certificate from Northern Lakes College. Taking the program while in high school will save you time and money when compared to taking the program after you finish high school. Achieving a college certificate before leaving high school increases your chances of getting employment. The next few slides are pictures from our equipment on site at the Peace River Power Lab. Water tube and fire tube boilers. These are both Cleaver Brooks package boilers. They are high pressure boilers running at 125 psi. The boiler on the left is a fire tube boiler and the one on the right is a water tube or a flex tube boiler. The fire tube fire is in the pipes and the water is on the outside, whereas the water tube, the water is in the tubes and the fire is on the outside. Fire tube boiler. The fire tube boiler is a 4-pass boiler, which means the flue gases take 4 passes through the water before exiting through the stack. These are pictures of the burner end of the boiler. The picture on the left side, you can see the insulation on the burner door, and that is where the burner is inserted into the boiler. The picture on the right side is looking into the furnace, and you can see the tubes and baffle that direct the flue gases through the boiler. Water tube internals. The picture on the left is inside the steam drum of the flex, and the picture on the right is the mud drum with the internals. Steam electric generator trainer. This is a Copus turbine with 50 kilowatt GMC alternator, switchgear, and a resistive load bank. Allows the students to learn about turbine operation and maintenance, as well as the boilers that supply the steam. This unit has a central control system that allows the operator to sync with a mock grid. This is our 30 kilowatt electrical cogen generator trainer. In other words, this is a natural gas engine that turns the generator to make power that we send to the grid. We learn how to operate and maintain this equipment that consists of a natural gas fueled engine with heat recovery exchangers, alternator, power controls, resistive load bank, water circulation pumps, along with all the pipes, valves, and fittings. This unit also has a central control system that allows the operator to sync with the mock grid. The heat exchanger trainer has 6 different types of exchangers with water temperature indicators and flow indicating controllers. The exchangers are of equal surface area, with each one having unique features. Students are able to learn about the different exchangers, materials, and design, as well as learning about pumps, valves, and temperature controllers. Feed water and deaerator. The feed water system consists of a water softener, deaerator, and chemical injection. The silver tank you see in the picture is called the deaerator, which is where we remove the oxygen with the steam that we produce in order to reduce the chemical costs. The students get very familiar with water sampling and testing during the lab. This is our last slide with the Resource Technology Department contact information. If you require any information, please feel to reach out, and thank you very much.